Yes, student, today we are studying triangles. So here we are taking exercise 6.3, question number first. State which pairs of triangle are similar. Also write the similarity criteria. So let us take the first part. We have the figure of a triangle. This is one figure of the triangle. This is another figure of the pair. So this we have the pair of the triangle. The first triangle name is A, B, C, and the second one is P, Q, and R. Here the measurement of angle A is given 60 degree. In another triangle, angle P is equal to 60 degree. In the first, angle B is 80 degree. In the second triangle, angle Q is 80 degree. Again in first, angle C is 40 degree. And in second triangle, angle R is 40 degree. So let us do the solution. So in both the triangle, what we are observing, angle A of first triangle is equal to angle P of second triangle because both have the measurement 60 degree. Angle B of first triangle is equal to angle Q of second triangle because both have the measurement 80 degree. Angle C is equal to angle R because both have the measurement equal to 40 degree. Thus, we can say triangles are similar and by angle similarity. Let us take one more example, number second part. Again we have pair of triangle. The first one is this. The another triangle we have like this. The name of first triangle is again AB, C, and the second triangle P, Q, R. Now here AB is given 2 unit whatever it is, BC is 2.5 and the value of AC is given 3. QR is 4, PR is 5 and PQ is 6 unit. Now come to the solution. Here AB upon, since the measurement of side are given, so we have to take the ratio of the side. So AB upon QR is equal to 2 upon 4. If we simplify it, we'll get 1 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. By the table of 2, both numerator and denominator will be cancelled. Now come to the second ratio. The side BC of first triangle and PR of second triangle have the ratio equal to 2.5 upon 5. If we remove the decimal, we get 25 upon 50 and after calculation, we'll get 1 upon 2. So simplifying it, we get the value equal to 1 upon 2. Now come to the third ratio, the side AC divided by PQ. It has the measurement equal to 3 divided by 6. If we simplify it with the table of 3, both numerator and denominator will be cancelled and again we get 1 by 2. If we observe in all the 3, we have the value equal to 1 upon 2. So since ratio of sides are proportional means equal, all the ratios are equal, therefore or thus triangles are similar by side criteria. Thank you.